Updating your email address on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new email address. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the gear icon or your profile picture, usually located in the upper corner of the app. Step 3. Select email address. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled email or email address. Tap on it to proceed to the email update section. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new email address in the designated field. Ensure that you enter it correctly to avoid any issues with receiving notifications or transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button and tap it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Zelle will be updated. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages to finalize the process.